if the situation calls for it, I will not hesitate. And the police should not hesitate, especially facing a criminal who is also going to kill you. Pag hinuli mo, dapat patayin mo talaga. At ayaw ko makita na buhayan kasi gamutin mo pa sa ospital, magastos pa ang gobyerno, tapos tapon mo doon sa prisuhan, pakakainin mo pa. Tapusin mo na. That is my philosophy.
And I don't believe in you,
If
Mr.
you do
Mr.
not
Chair.
like if you do not like my ideology, fine. That's mine. Bahala ka na sa buhay mo kung ano yun.
Opo. At bahala na rin po yung yung hustisya, no, yung